There are a number of ways you can get the most out of CARA AI search while doing research on case text. CARA AI search can, first of all, find you cases and other authorities that are very highly relevant to the factual, legal, jurisdictional, and motion at issue of the matter you're currently working on. It can also be used in a number of other ways. For example, you can use it to check whether you're missing any citations in your own brief before you file to make sure you've covered the entire landscape of law of relevant cases. It can be used to check opposing counsel's brief. If they have missed an important case or strategically left one out, CARA may help you expose a highly relevant case that they don't want you to see. And can also use it to update an older brief or memo to make sure there isn't a new and more relevant case that came out in the interim. Let's use an example where we're trying to make sure that our own brief has all the citations that we'd like before we file the case. First, you click the CARA search button. You can either drag and drop or select a file to add that file to CARA's analysis. We accept PDF, Word documents, and text files. In this case, I'll be dragging and dropping a brief that I'm currently working on. Next, I add the legal issue that I'm trying to research, for example, the loss causation issue. CARA will, within seconds, come back with a number of cases that are going to be highly relevant to the case that we're working on right now. It'll be relevant on jurisdiction, on factual matter, and on the legal issues, for example, the loss causation issue that I'm researching right now. I can then dig into the cases and see, are these cases that, if they're not already in my brief, should they be in my brief? And run that analysis to make sure I've covered every corner of the law and made sure that I'm not missing something important that my opposing counsel or judge might find. So that's how you use CARA to check your own brief. But you can also use it to find highly relevant cases to whatever matter you're working on, to see if opposing counsel has left out something important, or to update an old memo or brief to make sure there is no new and important relevant case law on the facts and legal issues of what you're working on.